Welcome to Learn Wealthy, your go-to channel for real estate insights, market charts, and golden opportunity. Let's build wealth together.
How's it going, everyone? Hope y'all are doing great. Today's episode is going to be juicy. This episode is called The Home Buying Process, and it's part one of a juicy YouTube series all about buying a home. Stay till the end, because the whole video and the whole video series will be packed with information to guide you on one of the most important, biggest purchases of your life. Section 1. Preparing to buy. Before you start scrolling through online listings, it's crucial to prepare yourself financially. You're not going to go into Whole Foods with Walmart money, right? Here's what you'll need to do. Step number 1. Assess your finances. Start by looking at your income, debts, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of how much home you can afford. Step number 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a big role in the mortgage rates you qualify for. The higher your score, the better rate you can get. Step number 3. Save for a down payment. Aim to save at least 20% of the home's price to avoid private mortgage insurance or PMI. But there are options with lower down payments too. Step number 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. A pre-approval letter shows sellers you're serious and can give you a competitive edge in a hot market. Step number 5. Subscribe and hit the bell notification in this channel, Learn Wealthy, so you can stay updated on the housing market, when interest rates are low, when homes are cheap, and for news that may affect your home buying process. Stay updated with us while you're working on steps 1 through 4 of your financial preparation. Section 2. Finding your dream home. Now that you're financially ready, it's time for the fun part. Finding your dream home. Here's how to navigate this stage. Choose the right real estate agent. A good agent will help you find homes that meet your criteria and guide you through the negotiation process. Start your search looking at homes online, attend open houses, and drive through neighborhoods to get a good feel for the area. Make a wish list. List your must-haves and nice-to-haves. Be realistic about what you can get within your budget. Visit and compare homes. Take notes and take pictures of each home you visit so you can compare them later. Section 3. Making an offer and closing the deal. Once you've found the perfect home, it's time to make an offer and move towards closing. Here's how it works. Making an offer. Your real estate agent will help you decide on a competitive offer. Oftentimes, this will be determined by the recent sold home prices within the area. Negotiating. The seller may accept, reject, or counter your offer. Be prepared to negotiate to get the best deal. This is where a good agent comes in, someone who's really looking out for you. Home inspection. Once your offer is accepted, schedule a home inspection to ensure that there are no hidden issues with the property. Appraisal and finalizing the loan. Your lender will require an appraisal to confirm the home's value. Then, you'll finalize your mortgage. Closing. On closing day, you'll sign a lot of documents, pay your down payment, and receive your keys. Congratulations, you got a new home. Section 4. Moving in and settling down. Congratulations, you officially bought a home. But the process doesn't end there. Here are a few final steps to help you settle in. Step number 1. Set up utilities and services. Make sure to transfer or set up utilities like electricity, water, and internet. How can you watch your favorite show, Learn Wealthy, without your internet? Step number 2. Change your address. Update your address with the post office, your bank, and other institutions that are important to you. Step number 3. Personalize your space. Decorate your new home to make sure it's truly yours. This is the fun part where your house becomes a home. In conclusion, home buying can be a complex process, but with the right preparation and guidance, it's absolutely achievable. The steps I talked about in this video is a simplified summary, so you can make sure you watch the next episode of this Home Buying 101 series. The next episode is called How to Get Pre-Approved for a Mortgage. I'll put a link of the next episode down the description below and at the end of this video. Also, to clarify, in this series, Home Buying 101, I'm talking about buying a home, a primary residence, a home that you live in, which is absolutely completely different from buying a rental property. Buying a rental property requires slightly different steps, an extremely different mindset. With buying a rental property, the main focus is return on your investment, while buying a home is all about your life, your memories, your comfort, your family first, and maybe you'll have appreciation in the back of your mind. But a primary home is technically an expense and not an investment. You'll have home repairs. You're looking at a return on life more than return on investment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. For more real estate, macro, and finance, please subscribe so we can all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.